In this module, we are going to talk about biodiversity. Global climate change is considered as one of the most important stressor on biodiversity. Changing climate patterns will stimulate species level changes in range and abundance. Furthermore, life cycles and genetic evolutionary changes also occur due to climate change. So, this climate change is changing the whole global nation states as far as this different species are concerned. Here are some major types of vegetation. Climate determines the geographic distribution and ecology of plants and animals. The following types of vegetation occur at similar latitudes and altitudes in different continents: rainforest, grassland, desert, deciduous forest, conifer forest, and tundra. Increased temperatures, rise in sea levels, and other extreme weather events are responsible for variation in the vegetation patterns. Many species have already expanded their range poleward and upward elevation in response to global climate change. Migration, breeding, and emergence of many species have altered due to extreme weather conditions. Not only these weather condition is making a difference in the lives of species, but there are some technological advancements which are making these species more vulnerable because of their convergence with other species. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने देखा होगा कि घोड़ी और गधे के मिलाप से जो एक खच्चर को पैदा किया जाता है, या इसके अलावा इसी तरह अगर हम प्लांट किंगडम में चले जाएं तो उसमें भी वो बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट्स हैं जिनका आपस में कोई ताल्लुक नहीं बनता, लेकिन वो उसको कोशिश करते हैं कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए से उनके मिलाप करवा के कोई तीसरी चीज़ पैदा की जाए. So such changes also making benefits for the individuals, but they may be creating some loss in the climate change. The life cycle events of many plants and insects is highly dependent on the availability of heat and energy. In response to global warming trends, many organisms will hatch or breed earlier than the expected time period in the year. Long living plants that cannot migrate will be reliant on adaptation for survival in the extreme weather conditions. Among marine systems, coral reefs and expected to be at higher risk due to increased temperatures and ocean acidification. This is the acidification. In fact, when there are different acid rains are going on and they are changing the marine life, so that acid rain cause that ocean acidification. Increased water pollution will affect other aquatic life. Substantial changes in the combination of plant species, loss of genetic diversity. Organisms with higher capacity of adaptation will survive, others will be extirpated. If you see that how this climate change is making the life of different species difficult owing to their changes in the genetic material and some cross fertilization of different plants and animals is also making an impact upon the life of the species.